Welcome back to the channel, you guys. In today's video we are going on a turkey run. I've never been to turkey run myself, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, and so I'm eager to go check it out. So hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned. Starbucks run completed. I got this mango dragon fruit refresher, and my girl, she got a
salted caramel cream cold brew.
We have made it to the park, so right now we're just gonna find a little trail to walk on. I'll show you the sights we see, the birds we find, the views we view, and everything that Turkey Run has to offer that we get to experience today. If you do decide to come to Turkey Run, depending on the trail that you pick, you might have to climb up a lot of stairs, so beware of the fact, yo. We have reached a difficult terrain in our hike. Some people are going to be having some difficulties. I'll show you guys a little clip here in a bit. But yeah, we're at the Punch Bowl, little waterfall. But yeah, keep watching the video. Yeah. Another lesson we can learn from Mother Nature is how resilient it is, yo. Like, how do those trees maintain themselves like right on the ledges? That is majestic. So we are at the Rocky Hollow Canyon right now, and our adventure continues. We do not stop here, but we cannot stop here. We must keep on marching. So yeah, our walk is coming to an end right now. We walked for approximately like 2-3 hours. It was pretty cool trails, pretty cool by the waterfall and by the little river right there. If it was to me, I would definitely recommend 10-10. You have a day, come out here, check it out. You definitely enjoy it. So once again, I just want to share the message with you guys to go spend some time outdoors, yo. Enjoy the beauty of Mother Nature. Take in some fresh air. Delight your eyes with the sights of nature, yo. Just do it. It won't hurt you, and you will feel a lot much better afterwards, I promise.